Hey guys, today I'd like to introduce you to the ultimate wheel maintenance product, wheel hub covers. This is a highly popular 20-inch wheel hub cover with exceptional sales figures. Let's take a look at how much it costs. To upgrade to 20-inch wheel hubs on the Tesla official website, I've discussed upgrading the wheel hub size with my wife several times, but we haven't gone through with it due to the price issue. After all, it requires $2,000 US. In the end, after careful selection, I found these Tesla Model Y 20-inch wheel hub covers. This is a wheel hub cover made of ABS material, specifically designed for the 2020 to 2023 Model Y. It is an OEM model that can be seamlessly installed to fully cover the wheel hub. During my previous long-distance road trip, the challenging road conditions damaged my wheel hubs, and the wheel hub covers that I currently have in my hands can perfectly fit and protect the wheel hubs, thus extending their lifespan. Okay, this is me receiving the delivery. The package contains all the tools we need for installation, as well as the Tesla logo. First, take out the small yellow wrench from the package and remove the nut protector. In the center of the wheel hub, take out the sponge adhesive strip from the package. Applying this layer serves not only to protect the wheel hub cover, but also provides certain noise reduction benefits. Furthermore, it adheres to aerodynamics, resulting in improved energy efficiency. Before installing the wheel hub cover, it is essential to clean the dust from the gaps in the wheel hub. Locate the position of the tire valve core and align it with the corresponding valve core hole on the wheel hub cover. Cover it over and gently tap the center part. You should hear a crisp sound. Then, tap the edges as well. Make sure to tap it firmly to ensure a complete and secure fit, preventing it from coming off. This will ensure it stays in place without any risk of detachment. Now take out the Tesla T logo from the package and remove the protective film. Align the Tesla T logo with the center of the wheel hub cover and stick it on. Then, firmly press and tap it to ensure it is securely attached. Logo markings are in the original factory size. Please don't worry, the package includes not only a shiny silver Tesla T logo, but also black and red options, allowing us to DIY and choose the one that suits our preferences. Personally, I find the shiny silver color more appealing, so I chose that option. If you're interested in exploring more colors, you can reach out to Tesavo customer service for further inquiries. After installing the remaining wheel hubs, let's get ready to test the range performance after the installation. To ensure the accuracy of the test data, we will conduct the test at a speed of 70 km/h on a less congested road segment. To simulate normal driving conditions, we will average the test over a distance of 100 kilometers. The data from our test is quite surprising. It's astonishing to see that the installation of the wheel hub covers not only protects the lifespan of the wheel hubs, but also contributes to energy savings, thus improving the range efficiency. That concludes this edition of Tesla Car Accessories Recommendations. Car enthusiasts who enjoyed it, please remember to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates.